You might have seen some crazy designs for car dashboards. Some old cars had wild designs that showcased the skills of their creators. Their craftsmanship, their ingenuity, mind-blowing for their time. But back then, technology had its limitations. Today, some modern cars have cool designs too, but do they really push the boundaries of what's possible? Not like this. This dashboard is something you've never seen before. The wildest, the craziest, the boldest dashboard ever built. This is rock and roll horror Camaro. A fusion of 3D modeling in virtual reality, precision engineering, and traditional craftsmanship. Follow me as I finish this masterpiece for my 1972 Camaro. I go step by step in detail, showing how I designed it using Onshape and Shapelab, how I made sketches, created endless 3D printed prototypes, and overcame challenges and failures to produce the first working versions for the car. Join me and see all the early steps, and together we will finish this wild build. This is not the only project I am working on with the Camaro, so there is even more wild tinkering and rule-breaking madness coming up. This is a wild ride. Coming soon. Subscribe now.